Hello, today we will follow step by step how to build a root cellar. The first stage of the construction process requires a lot of branches and roots. So, the man collects sturdy branches from the surrounding trees. The digger is at work. A wide and deep hole is being dug for the cellar as foundation. Patiently carving out the soil with each blow of the digger, the man prepares the area needed for a solid and durable structure. The man now begins to carefully place the tree branches he has cut into the space created by digging the hole. By carefully positioning each branch, he creates a solid structure that will form the walls and roof of the cellar. These branches, which are among nature's strongest materials, will provide both durability and natural insulation to the cellar. Each branch is carefully placed to form the sturdy structure of the cellar. After covering the facades of the pit in this way, straight branches are placed on top of each other to cover the top. In this way, the cellar ceiling is completed and a natural covering is obtained. This careful placement ensures that the structure is sturdy and protected. At the current stage, one person covers the bottom of the pit with soil, probably preparing to strengthen the cellar as foundation. He starts to place additional branches for the upper layer. He completes the square structure by placing straight branches on the upper part of the cellar. This is an important stage for a durable and even covering of the cellar as roof. With the main structure of the cellar almost complete, the finishing touches and details are coming into play. The surrounding area is also covered with natural materials, making the cellar harmonious with its surroundings. Each layer of soil is placed like a protective cover for the cellar. This provides both natural insulation and perfectly camouflages the structure from its surroundings. cellar is coming out wonderfully. Of course, the work is not finished. They continue to pour a lot of sand around it to make it more solid.
Now, the tarpaulin is being laid on top of the cellar to make it more solid. The married couple aims to keep the cellar more protected for many years. Later, soil will be poured into the iron. With the help of a construction machine, the cellar is turning into a wonderful cellar. The final touches of the cellar are being made. The surroundings are being organized and reinforced. This step hides the cellar and makes it compatible with the surroundings. The inside of the cellar is getting stronger. The man pours a special material to support the bottom. Thanks to this, they can store their food for years in this special and secret cellar. They are ready for a possible doomsday.